If you're wondering which email marketing tool offers the best email analytics, you're probably debating between MailerLite and Constant Contact. Both have their merits, but which one truly stands out when it comes to tracking, reporting, and optimizing your email campaigns? Stick around because I'll be comparing both of them, and you might just be surprised by the conclusion. Let's start with MailerLite. When it comes to email analytics, MailerLite offers an intuitive dashboard that's easy to navigate. You get all the basic metrics like open rates, click rates, and unsubscribes, but MailerLite takes it a step further with its user-friendly campaign reports. You can track specific links, monitor performance over time, and even set up A/B tests. Next, Constant Contact. Constant Contact has a slightly more robust analytics system, especially when it comes to reporting on revenue. If you're using Constant Contact for e-commerce, their integration with online stores can help you track sales generated from your emails. You'll also find detailed heat maps that show where your readers are clicking, giving you an edge in optimizing your email layout. But is it the easiest to use? Well, that's where MailerLite has an edge. Now, let's talk about automation tracking. MailerLite excels here with its workflows. You get to see how your subscribers are interacting with your automated emails and which stage of the workflow they're at. This is perfect for refining your strategy and figuring out where to improve. On the other hand, Constant Contact offers automation tracking, but it's not as granular. While it gives you a general idea of performance, the depth of analytics available with MailerLite in this area is superior. Constant Contact's automation reports don't give you the same kind of insights into user behavior and pathing. The next thing is integrations. Constant Contact supports a wider range of integrations, including e-commerce platforms, CRMs, and social media. For tracking and analyzing, these integrations help you gather data across multiple channels, giving you a comprehensive view of your campaign performance. MailerLite does have integrations, but it's not as extensive as Constant Contact's. Another point to consider is deliverability. Both platforms do a decent job of getting your emails into inboxes, but when it comes to tracking deliverability rates, MailerLite gives more transparency. You'll be able to monitor bounce rates and get more detailed reports on email delivery, which is a critical metric for optimizing your email list. Constant Contact does offer deliverability reports, but again, the data is less detailed than what you'll find in MailerLite's analytics section. Lastly, pricing. If you're on a budget, MailerLite's pricing is hard to beat, especially considering the depth of analytics it offers. Constant Contact is definitely more expensive, and while it offers more robust reporting features, you might not find that it justifies the higher price if you're mainly focused on email analytics. So, both platforms do offer solid analytics, but if you're looking for the best email analytics, MailerLite has a slight edge in terms of ease of use, automation tracking, and detailed reporting. However, after trying both of these, I have to say there's a better alternative that combines the strengths of both without the weaknesses. If you want a better solution for email analytics, take advantage of the exclusive free trial through the first link in the description. Through this link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you can only access through our viewers. Trust me, it's worth checking out.